Hello and welcome to Real Time Forex Trader. We're here scalping euro dollar. It is 3:19 in the afternoon. Sevens, eights. Let's see if we can get a profit on these. 9, 10, right. Ooh, 11. Take 6 on that. Should have a bit more size on here really, but not getting the best prices in the world yet. Come on, sellers, have another go. What would we do on that 6? We've got to be able to get it down to 60, surely. A couple of pips on that. No, not quite. 1.5, isn't it? Two pips, we'll take that. And 9. And there's buyers down there. Yeah, I don't want any more on. This is beginning to look like the buyer's going to lift this. And we could be stuck in this. Right, what's our average price? 9.4. Oh, look, 15s. Hasn't, yeah, look how much it's pulling off the bottom. Right, we're buried in these. $13.8. Take 11 on that, can't we? Come on, sellers got to be interested in selling at some stage. I think we'll take these off higher up at 6. Missed a pip on that. What did we get? 12.8. Wow. Could it climb? We're in trouble on this. This might have to go to 20s to find sellers. And it did, look, all the way up to 20. should have had the 3 pips there. And they've broken it above the trend line. Not good. Not good. This may well run up now. And we should have come out of that and had the profit. Damn it. Got one off. And what did it get to? 16.2. Right, where are the sellers? Where are these sellers? Are there any? Or is this where it runs up for the rest of the afternoon off 105? It's down here at the bottom, isn't it? It's well under. They could run it up to 40. Yeah, look, the Bund's coming up. Should have had my eye on that. And I didn't. Right. We are fully in this. And we're going to get 25s in a minute. They're going to get this. There you go, 25s. That is not good. And more. 20. Oh, well, 1.5 pips adrift on that one. This could be going up to 30 before we find any big sellers. Yep, all the short sellers are trapped now. And what was I saying earlier? Don't get trapped selling, shorting at the bottom of the market. And I am 20 pips out the money on this. Right. Now it's run up to 30. Deciding what it's doing next. So my average price 12.6. To be honest, well, that's below. All of these are below it. So really, I need it below 110. Well, we're going to have to wait this one out now for the sellers. That's if there are any. Yeah, that's better. Right. When it's below 25. Right. Is it going to break through? I mean, that was a fabulous scalp. But whoever bought down here at 10s and sold up here at 30s. Superb. And then those who got the shorts on up here at 30s. Bang on. I put them on at 20 and 25. And then I've run out of money. Or margin. Yeah, we're not getting offered anything on this. And it's not dropping. Back up here at 30s and looking like it's going to climb higher. Well, where are the sellers? They might not be till 40. Right, 35. And it should pull back from that. But you can see it's got itself some momentum. It's formed up nicely above that trend line. Lovely trend there. It's a question of where it finds sellers. And they are running the price up. I mean, that's not a bad place to short out there. 38s, just below 40. Now 38s, close them out down there, bang. Now, and then you put them back on there. Is it going to turn here? Well, lower highs, lower lows. The question is, what's it going to do when it comes back to the trend line here? So it's had a 35 pip run there. Now, and the sellers can have another go. Right. Now, is this where it forms up below the trend line here and drops? See, we had 1.5 pips there, gone. Struggling at 22. Bang on the trend line, you see. And previous support there. Right, 1.5 pips. Are you going to now? So that's a relief for the selling pressure and getting a run up. Is it now? Are the sellers going to have another go? Or am I going to try to be scalping this down at 1 pip at a time? You know, all I'm getting on that is 1.5 pips. Not even getting that now. Come on, where are you? Yeah, look, see, down to the trend line. Bang on it. Bounced. 5 pips. More. 8. Could have got the shorts on back up here at 30. Come on, where are you, sellers? Where are you? 21.9. Let's pull back 8 pips to 30. Where are you, sellers? See, that's forming up above the trend line. It's not good. Back up here at 30. It's not dropping away yet. It needs to break through this decisively. Where are you? Come on. That 1.5 pips out, now looking very attractive. Especially as I could have got it on 5 pips higher at 30. Anyway, now we're going a bit range bound at this level. Let's have a look around the charts. 1 hour. All the way up to the trend line. Fell away. 40. Bang. Similar there. Just pierced it. It should fall away with the longer term money. We're just in a bit too early on some of these. Right, this one inching near a break even. Now, this looks like it could form up below the trend line. It needs to break this level of 22s. Need it to break this. And it's struggling. Just lifted off that 23.6. It just, instead of forming up below, it's forming up either on it or above. Come on, you need this one to end red and below the trend line. Bang, some sellers about. That's what we need. We need them to get it below the trend line. 23.4, bit lower. See, red, but it's on the trend line. It's not forming up below it. We need it forming up below. Cool, could have got it back on up here at 29. Where are you? Where are you, sellers? Well, it is grinding off nicely. The buyers do lift it, and then it grinds off. I still think we're on for this, having a go at attacking this level of just above 110 again. Right, look, getting over a pip on that. I'm going to close that, and I'm going to see if we can get it back on higher up. And that might be looking like it's going to form up and sell off from here, which would be nice. Buyers only lifted it 2 pips this time. Look, and it's attacking these numbers, forming up nicely. Wow, nice. Heading in the right direction. Should I have had 3 pips there? Yes. And then put it back on a rebound. But it keeps testing this 15 level. $15.8. Yeah, go on, sellers. Go on. They're selling into it, aren't they? They're having a go now. We need it about 7 pips lower. Go on, sellers. They're going to have a run at this, and they're going to try and run it to 110 dead. And it's a question of where the buyers stop them. Go on. Look, they're selling into 10s. Wow, lifted. Maybe I should take some off at 10. Yeah, look, get them back on here, 5 pips higher. Right, I need to be ready for next time. So, that's where it struggled. Go on, sellers. Let's say they got it down to 10.5, which is all they managed last time. 11.3. $11.3 wasn't far off a break even for us. And this is buyers and sellers fighting it out in front of your eyes. Bids and offers going on. Bang. You see, it's getting defended at that level, 110. Bang, right down there again. That's all. Oh, yes, a little lower this time. Bang. Bang, right, that's a load of them filled. Right, what's left? We need sevens. Well, I think they can have a go at this. I think they'll have another go in the run up to the hour. Yeah, I was only getting a pip on it. Pip's good to take, but that's more like it. Go on, have a go at it. Miss out 1.2.6 pips there. Go on. Bang, that's a couple of them filled. Right, what else can we get off? 108.8. Yeah, it's not near enough, but it's not far off. Go on, are we going to get any of these filled? Lifted. That's a good price to sell in, 213. Very good price. We're going to get anything decent off of. There's a lot of slippage going on here. They're a couple of pips away from getting filled. They just need to break it down from here. Come on, sellers. There we go. Take that one off. Go on. Go on, break it lower. I think they've got it in them. Lifted. Right, where are the next sellers? Should I have taken that one? That's a pip and a half. Oh, I missed it. 6.3, 0.3 of a pip away from filling the lot of them. Go on, go on, go on. That's it, filled. That's all those filled. Thank you very much for watching. That is how you like a scalp, and that is how you trade.